Hi, I'm Mahtab. You're watching Best Belly Dance Workout, and this is a video from the series about Oriental dance styles. In this video, I will talk about modern Oriental. In the first part of this video, I will talk about the theory, and in the second part of this video, you will learn a choreography. If you would like to know more about Oriental dance, visit page bestbellydanceworkout.com, where you can join my free subscription or get access to unique online belly dance programs like complete belly dance course, isolations and layers program, and 15 minutes workout. Now, let's go back to the modern Oriental. Modern Oriental style is almost same like the classic Oriental style, so we stay with the strong muscle technique, opened chest, long neck, arms and legs, and with feet close together. But in classic we stay on releve, and in modern we can use also moves with the flat feet. In classic and in modern we will use a lot of turns and arabesques, but in modern they will be more crazy, and we can also add moves with the hair. Music for modern Oriental is a rich orchestra music with various Oriental rhythms and musical instruments, like for example ney, kanun, oud, darbuka or violin. And it's good to know how to interpret various rhythms and instruments. And if you would like to learn this, then check highlights of belly dance course available on page bestbellydanceworkout.com. All details I'm leaving in the description of this video. Costume for modern Oriental can be bedleg in hot trend style or belly dance dress. In classic and in modern style we can dance on high heels or without the shoes. Now let's go to the choreography. In this tutorial of modern Oriental dance, I will teach you the final part of my choreography to music Alf Leyla wa Leyla. Let's start with listening to this music. And we start. And accent. Accent. Accent, accent, small change, again, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again with accents, accent, accent. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the final. This is music of Yousry, Sharif, Alf Leyla wa Leyla. And now let's go to the first part of this combo. This is the last minute of this music, so we're getting closer to the end, so the emotions, the music is growing. So here we are starting in the moment when there's a regular drum moment, so we stay with the shimmy. It can be hip shimmy or knee shimmy as you prefer, but we can start this shimmy with clap. So it's like starting this move with our hands, and then we stay with the shimmy. The next move is something that we can use in the modern Oriental, so we will use our hair and we'll go with the hips to the side with the big circle, and then the head goes down, but I will not go back slowly, but I will take my hair up with the accent, pam. So here I am using just this move like for the big hip circle, but I am pushing hips to the side, going slowly. When my hips are doing middle hip circle to the back, my head goes down to the knee, but then I'm just bringing hair up. You can do this move also with your hand. For example, if you have really long hair, so you can go to the side and then pump. The next move is to go with the camels to the side, and you can walk on your whole feet. This is not classic. In modern we can also use flat feet. We're taking about 5-6 steps to the side, and then for the accent we will bring one leg really high. So here I don't want to face the audience and to bring leg to them like in one line. I'm walking with this camel already a little bit diagonal. So now I'm just bringing leg up. But what is very important, I don't want to arch my back, I don't want to push my hips to the back, and I don't want to keep my leg with the toes up. I want to stretch my whole leg, my feet, my toes, and do this accent with a very straight leg. And then after this accent I'm coming back with this camels, starting with this foot to the back, 4 or 5 steps, depends how fast you will walk. And then for the accent I'm going down, and here on 1 I want to go down, bend my knees and bring my arms up with a nice accent like palm. So on 1 I want to be down and I want to bring my hands together. So after these camels I'm just coming down and I'm bringing my arms up. We can stay with the knee on the floor. If you want to keep the balance, you can stay with your knees up, but it's important to keep legs close together. So now after this I will go slowly back with a hip figures 8. So this figures 8 gonna bring me up, and for the accent I'm gonna push my hands to the first position, to my hips. So here it's important to keep back straight. So when I'm going down and when I'm going up, I keep my back straight. And of course always keep the balance, feel comfortable and stay on flat feet so you'll be more secure. Let's start with this very short part with the music. 3, 2, 1. Shimmy. And hip to the side, big circle, hair down, and accent. Let's walk with the camel, foot up, camel back, go down, hip 8 up, and arms. We have finished with our hands close to the hips, and now the next part we will start with 3 steps. We'll walk to the front with hip accents. So we take first step, second, third, and then we have a turn, and we are again facing the audience, and we'll go back again with 3 steps, but this time with camels, and you can twist your chest to the right and to the left. 1, 2, 3, and again we are taking a turn, and now we have 3 times same melodies that we will mark with the chest shimmy to the one side, opposite, again change. So here we are walking with 3 moves all the time. So first with the steps with accents, then a turn, 3 camels, and a turn, shimmy 3 times with the chest, and then we are taking again 3 steps to the front, 1, 2, 3, and we stay in a comfortable position because we will stay here for a longer time with the shimmy. So here you can keep one leg a little bit diagonal, second one a little bit to the back, just feel really comfortable. Here you can again be on the flat feet. So here you stay with the shimmy, and you can add chest circles or camels or just move your arms. And this is the next part, and now let's do it with the music from the beginning. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shimmy. Circle with the hips and head down. Accent camels. And the foot up. Camel to the back. down, hip, figure 8, hands, 1, 2, 3, and a turn, camel, 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 turn, shimmy, 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 1, 2, 3, and shimmy. You can add chest moves or camels. And now it's time for the last part. And if you would like to know how to interpret the music, the instruments, how to use props, what are the styles of Oriental dance and technique, and much more, check highlights of belly dance course available on page bestbellydanceworkout.com. And now let's go back to this choreography. We finished with the shimmy, and now we will take 5 or 6 steps to the side. We'll walk in one line with the chest circles. So there will be one step for one chest circle. And as this is a modern Oriental and we should stay on high heels with heels off the floor on releve, sometimes of course we can use also this flat feet. So this is the moment to again take the heels off the floor. So we stay in releve in this position because I am showing the direction where I will go, and we just walking in one line. We're using chest circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I want to change my position, so I will bring my arm and do a big half turn. And now, as I'm not facing the audience, I will use hip only small circles. And again, 5 or 6 steps in one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again I am doing a big move with my arm to again face the audience, but now I will use 4 camels to be right in the middle of the stage because we're getting closer to the final part. So when I am already in the middle of the stage, I have 4 strong accents in the music. So first accent I will mark with my hands. They will go together above my head. On 1, wrists together, palm. Second accent will be with the hip. I will push my hip to the side. Still, I'm in power pose. The third accent I will mark again with my arms, with my hands. They will go behind my head, on 1. And the last accent in this music I will mark with my eye, because I will blink and I will a little bit move also my head. So here I brought attention to my head, so this blink will be visible because I started with my arms, hips, arms to the head, so again attention is close to my face, eye, and now I'm doing hip shimmy choo-choo. I'm doing hip figures 8, circles as you like, and for the final I'm bringing arm to the side and up, and I finish in a power pose that is also perfect for the photo shoots. So let's do now this last part from the beginning with the music. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shimmy, hips with the hair, up, camel, you can be on releve or on flat feet, leg, let's go to the back, down, hip figure 8, hands, and 3 steps to the front, and turn, camel, 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 turn, shimmy, 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 1, 2, 3, and again hip shimmy with chest moves. And now let's walk to the side, chest, change, and change, camels, and up, side, down, eye, choo-choo, and power pose. And now let's do this again, only with the music. watching this tutorial. If you'd like to learn more, don't forget to leave a thumb up, subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications about all new videos on this YouTube channel. And if you would like to learn more about Oriental dance, don't forget to visit page bestballetdanceworkout.com, where you can join free subscription and get access to my unique online ballet dance programs like complete ballet dance course, isolations and layers program, and 15 minutes workout. And of course, highlights of ballet dance course. I am also organizing Oriental Dance Marathons, 3 days of live workshops online. On Friday you will learn folk, on Saturday classic, and on Sunday belly dance show style. So if you would like to know more about the program of the next Oriental Dance Marathon, also visit page bestballetdanceworkout.com. Thank you and see you in next tutorials.